lot of questions is going through a lot of people mind now. Why from natural long hair to Jericho and now to skin cuts? If you want to know my reason why I choose to look different in 2023, stay tuned to the very end and you will.
You make your hair look like a coconut head. Oh, no, not even Africa. You are the Nigeria, no, not Nigeria. You are those state. No, not only those state. You are Passamaba. You look good in you. Cool. Just come make your head.
Man, it's not big.
No, you're small. I was in Nigeria that time.
Afro. Hey, this is Cool, Babel, like this, I was fine. Hey, show yourself. Show yourself. Cute gift for me. Jesus Christ. Imagine your wife is coming back home and she look like this. You put it up for her.
Me will like it. Your barber hair like this. I could have killed a lot of it. Like I could have killed a lot. Baba. And the person when they there, everybody will collect.
Ooh, look cute. Show your real face. Can you? You gotta show your real face like this. Show your face, guys.
That's your ugly.
No makeup, no hair. Show your real face like this. If you're fine, if you're still fine.
If I were you guys, don't subscribe. Don't subscribe.
Subscribe to watch new Apollo.
If you want her to bring more, if you want her to cut more from this head, subscribe for this head. Subscribe for this head.
What a Baba Bolo. I just waste a lot of money doing Jericho at the end of the day, barbing my hair.
She get money now. You come last week, you come this week again.
Yes. After Jericho of 200 euro. Wasted.
Okay. Leave my share.
Merci. Jesus. Hey, what? Come to me. Ah.